What is good, everyone? It is DSG Panther here. Today we're going to finally sort this out and talk about the res delete on the Polo GTI. So as you all know on my Instagram, I've got the res delete done, so we're going to talk about it today. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Yo, she said it's hard for her to trust. I said it's hard for me to love. I even gave her all I had, but I guess it wasn't enough.
So guys, today I had my res delete done on my Polo GTI. This is the 2016 6C DSG. Basically, I had my res delete done at Tire Point. Make sure you go and follow them. You can go check them out on Instagram. So I want to get into how much it cost me first. So originally it was £60 to get it fitted, but they needed an exhaust clamp and also an exhaust sleeve. So the clamp was a 60mm clamp, and the exhaust sleeve is just an exhaust sleeve. I can't actually tell you how big that was, but it was an exhaust sleeve. So they charged me £90 in the end for that. And then you need the res delete, obviously, which came from Euro Car Parts. That was £20. I will leave the link in the description if I can find it, so you guys can go and buy it. It was £21. So overall, it's probably about £100 to get this fitted, which is, I think, personally worth it in my opinion. I'm going to throw some clips in a minute so you guys can hear what this res delete sounds like. And in my opinion, it's the best mod you can do to your Polo GTI. Like, it's actually stupid how good this sounds. So I'm going to insert some clips now and you guys can hear what it sounds like. I'm going to do a POV driving video very soon, next Tuesday, so keep an eye out for that. That will be a sick video because you guys can understand what the drone's like, and I'll go into a bit more detail when driving, just so, because I haven't really been out with it yet. But in my opinion, guys, if you guys are watching this right now and you're thinking, do I do a res delete or do I do a back box delete? I'm telling you now, go and do the res delete. Do it. Just go and do it. Don't think about it. Go and do it, and you guys will love me. Don't get the Team Dynamics pipe, which is 200 or 175 quid. Get the Euro Car Parts one. It is the best one. It's 20 quid and it sounds a little bit raspy, but in my opinion, it is the best sounding one you can get. Like, honestly, it sounds sick. So I'm going to put these clips in now. Let's jibber jabber. I'm going to show you the clips right now. So guys, as you heard, this car sounds stupid. Now, I've watched a lot of videos recently on Facebook groups about the GTI res delete. A lot of people are saying it sounds crap and it doesn't do anything, doesn't make it sound any different. Now, I was very skeptical. I did think it wasn't going to do anything. Trust me, this bad boy is sick. If you have a TG air filter, or ITG I think it is, just a little if you've got a different panel filter, you will hear the turbo a lot more as well. It sounds wicked. Like, honestly, the res delete in this car is sick. It sounds like a fucking golfr or S3, and it gasses me up so much. Going from this car being so quiet to now is insane. Go and get the res delete. Please don't hesitate. Just get the res delete. Don't do no stupid back box delete and mess your car up. This doesn't affect your warranty. This doesn't affect your MOT. Doesn't affect your insurance. It's the best mod you can do without spending stupid money. And you get little burbles off it, and it's just, what? Like, what more do you want? And you don't get no drone on it. Why would you not want to do this mod? Like, you're actually stupid if you don't do this mod. So I just want to tell everyone that says this res delete is crap, shut up. This is the best mod you can do for the exhaust without going through all the insurance and all that bullshit. Because someone at my age can't really do mods. I've asked to put a front splitter on it and they're charging me stupid money to put a front splitter on it, which is why my mods are very subtle at the moment. Don't do it. Just do the res delete. Don't do a back box delete. Don't drone. Just do this. You will not regret it. I promise you now. It's the best mod you can do to your Polo GTI. I promise you. So guys, this is actually the original pipe that was there. So this is what the center box looks like with the resonator. As you can see, mine was very old and rusty, but I don't know why, but yeah. So this is what the resonator pipe looks like. Very heavy and dirty, and as you can see, this cop blocks your DSG fought badly. But yeah, shout out to Tire Point. Go and check them out. please get your resonator delete done from them, because you will not regret it for the Polo. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content on the Polo GTI, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.